Hey, hey, America, Chef John to Ghetto Gourmet show. Coming to you live as can be. We're gonna make history. Alright, you will notice I'm cooking with my left hand right now. Because my right hand is not working well. It's over here somewhere. Alright, so what we're making is we're making a pasta dish. We got some chicken, we got some shrimp with some garlic, olive oil in the pan, a little paprika on them, little garlic, a little salt. Alright, and they're real small pieces. Okay, show you real quick. Alright, so I have right here red onions. I'm going to put the red onions in at the same time. Okay, and the red pepper. Okay. Well, that's tomato. Just the red onion. Alright, and mushroom. I forgot what my own dinner was. So there's my garnish set up. That's salt and pepper down there. A little bit of basil. Alright. Little toss. Over here I got my heavy cream. I got my olive oil. I got my cornstarch slurry. Got a little bit more garlic. Alright. And now we add tomato. Oh, yeah, basil. Everything except for the mozzarella. Okay, we're gonna garlic this out. I'm just my arm is killing me right now. Turn this down. See how I do that movement? Just my arm's not working all that bad. Oh, maybe it's just my back. Here, kitty. All right, so. Alright, look at that, that's beautiful. Alright, see that? Alright, so I'm going to take that, watch it. Alright, and I'm going to put a little garlic in there. I just did that, but I'm going to put a little more in there. And then I'm going to add my heavy cream, about 3 ounces, 3-4 ounces, straight heavy cream. Then I'm going to come with my cornstarch slurry. Oh. Now I want my cream to reduce a little bit. Put my slurry in there. Really got my back. Shoulder's killing me. Everybody say, Chef John's right arm come back. And his whole body come back. All right. There we go. See, just into a gentle simmer here. All right, and so the acid in there right now is the tomato. Okay, and I'm going to use pickle juice because it's real gentle. I want real gentle acid here. I don't because lemon juice would overload it. You're like, I can't see that. Alright, I'm putting in the mozzarella in right now. Whatever that was, it's not the right color. Alright, and just set it to simmer like that for a second. These things are so easy to wash. And I just got veggies. Alright, so there it is. Simmering away. I want this to reduce a little bit. So I'm going to crank it for a second. Powdered garlic definitely has a different flavor. We're gonna pepper. Oh, that's a kick. A little bit more than I wanted. Oh well, it'll work in. And toss, toss, toss. That's it. Right there. With my yeah, overcooked. I keep writing and then trying to do some noodles same time, and it don't work. Or it's late at night or something. I got a whole bunch accomplished in a couple of days, and now kind of paying the price for it. Hopefully I'm not paying the total price, but I think, you know, I don't know, unless somebody save me, I'm looking at my bucket list. And what would you do if you had about a year left, you know what I mean, of walking around? You get it done on the Chef John Ghetto Gourmet Show. I hit you with that legato. With the legato. On the Chef John Ghetto Gourmet Show. I'm going to spread these tomatoes around nice bright. I'm going to put the fresh basil right there. Don't have no mozzarella, or maybe Parmesan, or I'd be topping it with a little Parmesan. There. Here's our dinner. Even all broken and right hand not working out. Oh. Y'all, so yeah, think good thoughts, man. There's our dinner. Look at that, 7 minutes, cool. Chef John Ghetto Gourmet, rocking it out all day. This is what we're looking at. Man, he's a cool cat. He's got the mozzarella and the tomato too for you. Peace, man.